Sweet potato pancakes with applesauce and dill sour cream. So I've grated in about 1.25 pounds of sweet potato and 1 small onion, and I'm just gonna make the batter for this. And we've got some oil heating up. And people are going, what are you doing right now? The potatoes and the onions have a lot of water in them, and we want really crispy potato pancakes. So you actually just grate them over some kind of cloth, and then you squeeze out all the water. So now, see, now it's kind of dry. Will give us a nice crispy potato pancake.
Wait, so is that the trick for hash browns too?
Yes. I'm just gonna crack in a couple of eggs.
I did not know this.
Wow.
I just learned something.
Yes, it totally works. So we're gonna add in 1/2 cup of flour, and I'm adding in a teaspoon of paprika. I'm gonna add in a little bit of thyme, so a couple of teaspoons, just a couple of little strips. All right, gonna use our little 1/3 cup to approximate our little pancakes. And we wanna make them kind of flat, so about 1/4 inch, but we don't wanna round them around the edges because these little rough edges will make nice crispy little bits on the outside.
Ah.
Yay.
Why is that so
I
satisfying?
don't know.
The sizzle.
I've got sour cream, which is traditionally served with potato pancakes, and just some dill. If you just want to chop up like a couple of tablespoons of dill and mix it through there, that's all you got to do.
Oh, I would love to do that.
We're going to have that to dip our pancakes in, and also some applesauce.
Ooh.
Applesauce, yeah? All right, I'm going to flip these over. I'm going to go over on that one so I don't splash.
Oh. I love that crispy crisp.
I know. Ooh, that one's really crispy. Okay, I think these sweet potato pancakes are ready to take up.
I love that you just had like an Oktoberfest party with just us. You know, like I really do.
And we hit them with salt when they're hot because that will soak in the salt. Glenda, I'm gonna ask you to put these on the tray for me while I clear out a little spot for us to eat.
I would love to.
Ooh.
And then we have our beautiful dill sour cream that Glenda made.
From scratch.
From scratch. We also have a little side of applesauce, which I'm gonna also put on my plate if
Yes.
you guys want some.
I would love some. I know I want
Would you
you
like
to
some,
do
Brian?
it for
Oh,
Yeah,
because
I
you
will do
are
it
in
for
the maiden dress right now, and I just feel like you have to do it.
Right.
Oh, I'm excited.
Now is the time when we taste. What's fabulous is it's nice and creamy in the middle and crunchy on the outside. I'm doing a double dip situation.
That's really good. I love the dill in there. Though. Like you can taste
I just love
it.
changing up the potato. The sweet potato just makes it,
Mhm.
I don't know, really decadent.
God, the applesauce and the sour cream combo is life-changing.
It really is. And I love the crispy edges.